Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Hiawassee, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Hotel is under renovation and every day between 9 and 5 there will be construction noise offering an indoor pool and free Wi-Fi. This Hiawassee, Georgia hotel is 4 minutes drive from Georgia Mountain Fairgrounds. Lake Chatuge Recreation Area is 7 minutes drive away. A cable TV with pay-per-view channels is offered in all rooms at Hiawassee Holiday Inn Express. A seating area, microwave, and refrigerator are included in each room as well. The en-suite private bathroom has a hairdryer. A business center, fitness center, and laundry facilities are on site for guests' convenience. Guests can also utilize Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Hiawassee's 24-hour front desk and express check-in and check-out. Chatuge Regional Hospital is 0.9 miles from the hotel, and Hiawassee City Center is 0.7 miles away. Towns County Recreation Department is 2 minutes drive from this Holiday Inn Express. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.